and see how many people can do it. Starting with Ashley. She can do it. She can do it.
Let's go.
All right, let's ask Selena now.
No, I can't. That's embarrassing.
Can you go like this?
Oh, fuck, you're recording again?
Can you?
Uh-huh.
Ew. Can you try it?
Do it.
Go. Like that.
She can do it.
Can you?
How about you?
Just cover your eyes and just go.
Do it for Ethan.
Oh, she can do it.
How about you?
Do it.
Do it. She did it. She did it. Hold on. Are you going to gym? No! She's like, I just love
Well, that's true.
Yeah.
Ow. Ow.
Ask Marvin, he's in the loner.
No, there's white next to me.
Oh, her. Her.
Can you do something? Can you go like this? Can you do it?
Oh, really? Try it.
Can you try it?
Yeah, they're really so
Freeloader. Can you do that? Can you try it?
Selena can't do it. Shut up. I can't do it. I did it.
Please. Please.
I can't. That's all you have to do.
Kelly.
Stupid.
I'm scared.
Ow.
Charian! Here! Please! Can you go like, damn, did you get that? Okay, can you go like this?
Try it. I can't do it.
No, with your tongue.
He spit on me.
That's it. Can you want to ask?
Ask those two gangsters up there. He spit on me and he stuck out his tongue. It's on his eye.
All you have to do is move your lips. Ew.
What?
Can you go like this?
I'll do it. What?
Can you do that?
Kylie? What the fuck?
Who's that?
I don't know.
Is that my mom?
No?
No.
Someone called on private.
Was that my mom? Stephanie, can you do that? No, hurry, I want to see if you can. She can't.
Shut up.
Hurry, just try it. We're not posting. Just go.
Can you go? Seriously, can you? Can you, Brittany? Can you go? How about that? Can you go?
Come on, you just tried it, come on. And then,
Brittany can do it.
that's so scared over there. Let's ask Haley.
Kylie. Can you guys go with your lips? Any of you guys?
Haley, can you go like this? Just try it. No, it won't. You should have seen Terrians. This was funny. That was hilarious. Can you do that?
He has